For homeowners, an irrigation system is a big investment. But after your installation crew leaves their property, it faces a number of threats that could lead to leaks and line breaks. Things like vehicle tires, utility crews, lawnmowers, and even pipe damage from tree roots. Left undetected, this damage could cost your customers big time. Higher water bills, flooded landscapes, damaged basements and foundations. One study found that many homeowners were overwatering by up to 316%, using more than 3 times the water they need due to untracked use and undetected waste. But you can take control of these issues with affordable flow sensing products from Rainbird. By adding this technology to any system, you can help customers avoid big issues and successfully manage the long-term efficiency of their irrigation. Properties with a flow sensor see an average of 35% water savings compared to systems that have no flow sensing capabilities. With numbers like that, a flow sensor can pay for itself by identifying just one leak, making this technology an upgrade that's easy to sell. But the benefits stretch well beyond your customer's budget. With flow sensing technology, you can maximize revenue from every job, pinpoint problems faster during service calls, and earn a stronger reputation. Bottom line benefits for your business. Big savings for your customers. Take control with Rainbird flow sensing technology.